So here I have an equation like this. You can see that we have x, but it's not a whole x. It's a fraction of an x. Let's imagine that it's 1/4. 1/4 of an x. 1/4 of an x equals 3. So in that case, what will x be? What are we going to do? What do we do to 1/4 to make it a whole number? Usually we multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. So let's go ahead and do that. So we take this one, 1/4 x one time. I want to multiply it by 4. 1x, 1/4 x, we take this 2 times. One-fourth x, we take it 3 times. And 1/4 x, we take it 4 times. Take it 4 times. So we do the same thing here. So we have 3 taken 1 time. We should take it 4 times, just as we did here. So we do 3 taken 2 times. 3 taken 3 times. And 3 taken 4 times. So we have done the same thing here. So let's write down what we have. Oh, the first one we have, we did not write that down. The first one, before we multiply this, when we started, we had 1/4 x equals 3. Let's quickly write that down. 1/4 x. And write it like this. This is what we started with. Let's just cover this one. So this was what we started with. 1/4 x equals 3. But then we don't want 1/4 x, we want 1 whole x. So we ask ourselves, what are we going to do to this 1/4 to make it 1 whole? And we said we multiply by 4. We multiply by 4. So we took 1x 1 time, 1x 1 time, 1x 2 times, 1x 3 times, and 1x 4 times. So we did the same thing on the right hand side. We took 3 taken 1 time, 3 taken 2 times, 3 taken 3 times, and 3 taken 4 times. So we are going to write down what you have done now. So 1/4 x let's get it bigger. 1/4 x, we took it 4 times. So we can say took 4 times. X. We took it 4 times. We can do the same thing here. We took 3, took that 4 times also. So we took, let's write the multiplication sign. Let's also write multiplication sign here. But this may be confusing. So this multiplication. So we see that 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have x equals 12. So we can exchange this one to so we can exchange this to 1 whole x. This 1 whole x equals 12. We count this, we get 12. So you can go ahead now and write problems like this and use the material to show your equation and solve.